Join us on a high-speed adventure to the stunning backwaters of Ashtamudi Lake. We hired the speedboat from the Leela Ashtamudi. Ashtamudi is the name of the town as well as the lake. The lake has 8 branches like an octopus or a palm meadow. It serves as a gateway to the Kerala backwaters. Watch till the end for the high-speed thrill as promised by our captain. We passed by this palace which is more than 100 years old and is currently being renovated by the Leela. Many local village houses. Slowing down to not upset the fishing activity. Fishing for prawns is going on here. All these blue and red colored boats belong to the Kerala state. These ice plants supply ice to the fishing boat so that they can put it in their hold to keep the fish fresh till it reaches the market. Loading the ice. Fishing for oysters. One of the many islands here. Straight ahead is the Arabian Sea. The Neendakara fish market is very busy. The green and yellow boats are from Tamil Nadu. We were intrigued by the occasional jumping fish. Fish being dried in the opposite land area. Because of high tide, you can't see most of the land. So beautiful churches. We then transferred to a canoe for tour of Munro Island. More in our next video. Transferred back to our speedboat and got to try the driver's seat. The captain asked us to hold on tightly as he was going to go over the waves and make the boat jump. The birds also follow at high speed in the hope of catching some fish which are disturbed by the boats. We then reach Sambranikodi, where you can stand in the water.
Mama, there's a shop there.
Many boats and small shops selling foodstuff for people to have a picnic. Huge mangroves can be found here. Chinese fishing nets. A little more of the high-speed thrill before we return to our rooms for some rest and relaxation. In the evening, we watched the amazing sunset from the swimming pool. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.